Why do we feel the need to be validated on social media? Why do we feel the need to post everything that we're enjoying? And it's as if you don't post this thing that you're doing, then it didn't happen. You didn't go to the gym unless you posted about it. You didn't enjoy that meal that you had unless you showed it to everyone. Ask yourself why. Is this normal? Would the Sahaba ever do that? Did they enjoy things only if other people said that it was enjoyable, or they commented under it saying, wow, mashallah, looks good, or heart eyes, or whatever? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he narrates to us that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he says, إن الله لا ينظر إلى صوركم ولا أموالكم ولكن ينظر إلى قلوبكم وأعمالكم. That Allah, He doesn't look at your appearances. Allah doesn't care about that. وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ تَقْوِيمٍ. Allah has created you in the best manner. Allah doesn't care what you look like. Or He doesn't care how much money you have. Doesn't care. But Allah looks at your hearts, what's inside your chests, and your good deeds. So that's the only validation you should need. Remember this. Before you feel the need to post something so that someone can validate it, okay? Before someone comments on your picture and says, MashaAllah, you look great, or they should be saying, Allahumma barik. MashaAllah is for your own blessings. Allahumma barik is for the blessings of others. Before you do that, and then you get upset, potentially, if no one gives you enough likes, or if no one says that you look very nice, remember, I'm on this dunya to please Allah. So always make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, everyone, the first priority in everything you do. And do not care what people think. As long as what you're doing is halal, do not attach your emotions to what other people think. This is very, very important, please.